What's up, and in today's video I will teach you how to make a Gorilla Tag copy. Let's go. So first, you're going to pick one of the projects that you're going to be doing for your update. So I'm going to leave my Discord in the description and Quantum's. When you pick your project, you want to go into your browser, search up Photon Engine and PlayFab. Make an account for both of them, then you should be greeted with this. Press create new app, Fusion, and then you want to pick real time. Then put your game name. So for today's video, I'm just gonna put on like cheese tag, for example, for description as well. Create it. Now create a new app again. Now we're gonna pick voice. Copy and paste both of them. And then you should have both of these. So now, when you have your PlayFab, log in and stuff like that, you should be greeted with this. So, let me just leave that. Oh, my bad. So you should be greeted with this. You're gonna press on New Studio. Actually, wait, no. You're gonna press New Studio, create your studio, then the three dots, new title, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna put cheese tag again. Cheese tag V1. The create. So now you're gonna go into my Discord server or any Discord server, and you're gonna get some revisions. So revisions. Download this or just copy it. Live ops, cloud script, revisions legacy. Press on the text, Control A, and then you're gonna press backspace. Then whenever you copy the text, you just want to press Control V. Should pop up like this. I'm just gonna add something. I'm gonna add my revision. It's the banner revision, just in case. Oh, I'm over it. Oh. Then you're gonna press Save as revision 2. Deploy this revision after save. Save and deploy. Now you're gonna create your shiny rocks and your viable cosmetics. So first, you want to go into currency legacy, new currency, capital S and R. Then display name is going to be shiny rocks. I have it here. Initial deposit, put it as like how much shiny rocks you want to start off with. So I'm just going to do 1 million. Then how much the recharge rate is how much shiny rocks you get every 24 hours. So I'm going to put it as like 10,000. And now recharge maximum, I recommend doing 9, like 9 nines. Save currency. Get your DLC. So the DLCs will be in here. I'm gonna add DLCs for the project, so yeah. But if you picked 2023 projects, you want to do every DLC. 2023 projects and below, use every update. Jason. Then you're gonna download it. catalogs legacy, upload JSON, choose file, then pick every update, but I'm just gonna switch it so I have a different project. Upload file. So when you're finished with that, you're gonna press on settings, API features, disable all of these, and then mark 3 of these. Now when that's finished, you want to go into live ops, add-ons, Photon, how to set up Photon real time with PlayFab. So now you're gonna go into number 5 in custom authentication, copy all of this. You can exit out of this, create a new tab, Control V, and then when you do that, you want to go into your PlayFab, get like 5 or 6 numbers and letters from here, copy them. Now when you see these tiny brackets and PlayFab title ID, you're gonna delete 2 of those brackets and the PlayFab title ID, backspace and then Control V. So now you should have your PlayFab title ID in here. Now you're gonna press Control A, Control C. You can X out of this tab now. Go into Photon. Press on the game. Manage. Custom server. Delete this. Then Control V. Save. And then dashboard. Real time. Manage. Oh, wrong one. But manage. Custom server. Select all of this. Control V. Save. And now you're gonna get the IDs. So check this. Okay, that's it. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's it. So now you're gonna press on app ID on like the numbers to the right. Control A, Control C. And then you're gonna want to open up your Unity project. So for this video, I'm gonna do Wet and Wild West Flashback by Root Beer. Credits to him. Gonna wait for this to open. So the next step is pretty easy. So you're gonna have to download Microsoft Visual Studio. Then Visual Studio Code. Then download it. And you're gonna press C##, and then Unity Hub, or like Unity, and then you're gonna mark Unity Hub when you press the Unity. And anyways, now when you're here in your project, you're gonna press on all. Now you're gonna type in PlayFab Authenticator. Should pop up here. You're gonna right click on this, edit script. Then go back into your PlayFab, copy these numbers. V, and then go back into your... Oh wait, I forgot something. So now when you're done that, you want to press Control A, Control C. In chat, you want to put in voice, those numbers. And then in real time, you want to put real time into real time. And then it should work. And after you want to get those numbers thing. I already have them. And then Photon, copy your real time. Then you're gonna go into app ID real time, get all these numbers out, and then press Control V. Go back into your Photon, get your voice, Control A, Control C. Now you're gonna go into app ID voice, get all of those numbers and letters out, Control V. Now press Control S, X. And then you're gonna wait. And then when you're finished, you can press this. And you should spawn in tutorial, but I spawned in here, so I already saved my progress. And then when you go into your PlayFab, it should say 0, but when you refresh the page, it should say 1. You press search, and then press on back. And then inventory legacy, and then press on grant item, select item, and then type in every cosmetic or whatever DS you put in. Do that. For me, it's gonna show a little error, but it's good because it still gives me my cosmetics. So when that's loading, you wanna exit out of the game, and then wait. And then while you're waiting, press that again. Then wait again. Yep, limited edition item unavailable. Refresh the page. I have it now. And when I go into here, I should have it now. So in this project, you have honestly like a lot of stuff. But yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. See you. Bye.